Hi, this is a binomial question. Alright, so for binomial questions, you need to know the formulas. Alright, a plus b power n is equal to a at the power n plus n choose 1, a n minus 1 b plus n choose 2, alright, and so on and so forth. Alright, the pattern will just go on. So with that, all you have to know is, all you need to do now is actually to identify which is your a, which is your b, and which is your n. Right, for the first part, right, a is 1, or b is 4x, and n is 6. So all you have to do is throw in the numbers into the equation above, and the question did help you by saying they only want the first three terms. So all you have to do is do up to the first three terms. So it's term 1, term 2, and term 3. Alright, so all you have to do is copy under the term 3 and make sure you put in the plus dot dot dot. Alright, this symbolizes that there are other numbers at the back. It's just that we are not focusing on those. Alright, so for part 1, this should be your answer. 1 plus 24x plus 24x squared. Alright, for part 2, it's going to be the same case. Alright, in this case, your a will be 1. Okay, your b in this case will be a negative 2x. Take note, it's a negative 2x. And n is 14. Right? So when you substitute in the values, okay, again they only want the first three terms. So you end up having 1 minus 28x plus 364x squared. Okay, remember your plus dot dot dot. Right. So for the last part, they actually want you to look for okay, the multiplication of the first equation and the second binomial equation. Right? All you have to do is make use of your answers, okay, from part A and part B, right, and multiply them together. Take note, I did a shortcut here. I ignored those coefficients, or rather I ignore those that will give me x squared and above, because the question is only asking for x up to x squared only. Right? So I removed, or rather I did not multiply, for example, I did not multiply 240x squared with 364x squared, right? Because they will give me a x to the power of 4, which is not required in the question, right? So ultimately, this will be your answer. 1 minus 4x minus 6x, 68x squared plus